Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken vindaloo. Start by toasting spices and prepping chicken for even flavor infusion. Use whole spices ground fresh, vinegar for tang, and allow the curry to rest for depth. I'll guide you through timing, heat levels, and simple swaps so your vindaloo comes out bold and balanced every time. Follow along and taste as you go, adjusting spice and salt to suit your palate. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Marinate chicken in ground toasted spices, vinegar, garlic, and ginger for at least 1 hour to develop flavor. Use a mix of dried red chilies for controlled heat and a touch of jaggery or sugar to round acidity. Keep salt moderate during cooking and adjust at the end after the sauce reduces and concentrates its flavors. Begin by toasting whole spices until aromatic, then grind them into a smooth masala to avoid grainy texture. Sear the marinated chicken quickly in hot oil to caramelize surfaces, then add vinegar, stock, and aromatics to braise slowly. Keep the heat low so flavors meld and the sauce reduces without drying the meat. Finish by tasting and adjusting heat or salt, then rest the curry briefly before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.